In that same vein, the thing I like about the human rights chapter of the book, and it makes sense that it comes at the start, is that it's really important for people to see the rights crystallized, right? So we talk about human rights all the time. You know, I have a human right to this and that and this and that. But how often do people see the rights listed, right? I mean, not very often, not unless you've gone to the European Convention website or you've gone onto, you know, .gov to look at legislation, right?
Of course.
So many people who buy this book or who are given the book are probably going to see their human rights kind of listed for the first time. What do you think about that?
I'm so pleased about that, Dummy.
Yeah.
And I think a key reason for that as well is that fundamentally when it comes to human rights, we're talking about rights that, you know, exist between you as a citizen and public authorities, right? And I think it's extremely dangerous when public authorities have a belief that the public aren't aware of their human rights.
Absolutely.
Because I think that is a recipe actually for exploitation and abuses of power. And I truly believe that if it's known, you know, that generally in society people have an awareness of human rights or of their human rights, that near enough has the automatic effect of ensuring that authorities actually take better care of us because they don't want to fall foul of that and there be consequences. So I'm really pleased about that, and I think, especially in relation to human rights specifically, look, these are things that affect, or these are things that we all have, you know, it doesn't matter your race, your background, height, weight, shape, anything like that. They're things we all have. So I think even in terms of you being in a position where you can not only help yourself, but help others around you, if you have just a foundational knowledge of your human rights, anybody you encounter, you can actually share that bit of law with them, and it will be of use to them. So I'm really pleased about that part, Dami.